back at Charlotte Motor Speedway for round 1 of the winter heat. If you watch the update/practice video that I uploaded a few days ago, you'll know I'm not very good right now. So it's gonna take a lot of practice and it's gonna be a long day. It is a double header, which means I got 2 races to kind of break myself in. So I think after the races are over, I'm gonna be a lot better than I am right now. It's just kind of hard to get better because it's like we only get like 4 laps of practice, and I'm not used to that. I'm used to like being able to work myself in and you know, build consistency, and I'm struggling to do that right now. But with that being said, it is cold and practice is about to start in 10 minutes, so we're gonna get after it. I'm a little confused on how we're gonna edit this video because you can't really see anything. So a lot of it might be GoPro footage, and there's also no radio communication. So we're in a completely different world right now than we normally are. But with that being said, I'm excited to take you all along with me today. This is my first electric car race in 4 years, so I'm just hoping I can maybe come up with a top 5 in one of the races and just not wreck. So that's the goal for the day. Hey, you wanna shout out your channel again?
Make sure to subscribe to Killer Cam Truett on YouTube. Let's go!
Hey, do your dance. I saw you doing the dance on your last.
I'm not doing it.
Do your dance.
I got home.
Man's got sturdy and walked off. Let's go. Give us a rundown, Chase.
As long as the kid don't get hurt, I'm good with it.
He doesn't want it to affect the late model season.
No. We're racing a cast, goddammit.
First practice went better. I ran my best time yet. I keep getting harassed about one corner.
Only fucking corner I can see.
Yeah, so maybe if they could see more, I'd be harassed more about more corners. But I know I can pick up some time. This next session is going to be, it's like practice fine, which means it's a practice session, but it's also qualifying. It's basically qualifying, I guess, but every car goes out on the track. This will set where we line up for feature 1. Your fastest lap is going to be where you start for the first feature, and your second fastest lap is going to be where you start for the second. I don't know if I'm capable of putting together 2 good laps, but maybe I'll be a hero in one of the sessions or something like that, so we'll see. We're about to roll. The GoPro died, so it wasn't on for qualifying. Like the fast man I am, I qualified 2:15, so we got a lot of work to do to get up to our goal of a top 5. I think I'm gonna learn a lot during the race, and I'll be a lot better for the second race if we can keep it clean. That seems to be a problem sometimes in electric cars, is just keeping them clean. We're just having fun. We're having fun. No real expectations, just want to improve and get better for next week. So we'll see what we can do here. Get down to this area.
Well,
fucking the one. Huh?
Why you laughing?
Oh my god, dude. My hands are so sore. I was like,
I knew. I told Sam, I said, whether it's lap 80 or 8 out here, he's falling out of the fucking seat.
Douglas, you're only like 1.1 seconds slower than the leader at your fastest lap.
Can you imagine if you said that on oval? If you said that on oval, like I would have quit like 5 years ago.
Stay in third. Tighter, a little bit tighter on this right here, and then pretty good there. Down the second.
So you're back down.
Down to second, and then I short shift to third, like right there.
Like and subscribe to AirDoug.
Oh my God, you suck.
Where am I at? 20th?
I don't know. Your 7th row starting inside.
That's better than when I just started. All right, so there you hear it. I started P13 in race number 2. I'm just gonna cut to the clip randomly of him throwing his hands up like this when I was coming in. I told you I was racing.
No, you didn't. You said I'm just here having fun.
I'm having fun.
That didn't tell me that you're racing.
I'm having fun. That means I'm not competitive. That's what it means. How'd you finish?
Horrible.
Oh, that's not decent. I expect more out of the killer Cam Truitt himself. I think for your poor performance, you need to get sturdy for us.
Do I have to do it?
You have to do it.
If this will get AirDoug to 2,000 subscribers, I'll do it.
It's a 3. I'm already there.
I got
Hey, we're gonna make you do that every time we see you.
No.
Yeah.
You're a late model driver. Go drive pro.
Dude, I would be dead last if I ran pro. I have to give myself some sort of a chance. Why don't you run pro?
I can't. I don't got a legend car.
That's a good point.
Bye.
Bye.
I got home.
I'll just start promoting my channel by going out to people and be like, hey man, you ever heard of AirDoug? Come on, subscribe to me on YouTube. I'll be
This is interview, so I got a question for you.
Right.
Guys, since my brakes failed,
we're about to go for race number 2. Daniel actually helped me out a lot. Daniel won both the pro races now. So he helped me out a lot. We reviewed my GoPro footage. So I hope I should be a lot better here. Race 1 was just kind of, all right, I ran my best time ever when I was around cars. And then when I went back to my whack job, whatever I'm doing out there, when they got away from me, I slowed down a lot. So now I have some marks and some stuff to go off of. I'm excited for this one. So hopefully we can keep it clean and maybe get a top 5, top 10. Hey, if we get a top 10, Zach has to do the Griddy. I couldn't even get into an 06. I ran them for 8 straight laps before that race.
when are you going back into late models?
In February.
Where you
At
going?
Florence, the icebreaker. All right, so round 1 of the winter, he just wrapped up.
So stupid.
That's the point. Honestly, in the second race, I did better than I thought I would all weekend. I actually picked up my times a lot so that I was finally in the same second bracket as like everybody's qualifying times and also the leaders. So I think that puts me in a position to raise my standards a little bit next week. If I go out there and I qualify well, I could potentially, you know, I could really run for a top 5. I think I kind of set the bar a little bit too high for my first weekend. It was a good time. These races are not long, but oh my God, dude, it's like you are handling the hell out of the car the entire time, and I'm beat right now. With that being said, we are going to cut the video here, and if you guys like the Legend Car content, let me know. As of right now, I am running the next 2 weeks in the winter heat, and then I don't have anything else on the Legend Car schedule after that because the late model season starts up, but I would be interested in potentially doing some oval races at the end of the year. If you guys want to see stuff like that, let me know. So with that being said, we're going to be wrapping up the video here. If you enjoyed it, give it a Killer Cam Truitt thumbs up. Whatever he does. What?
Just like secondhand embarrassment.
So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and stay up to date with all of the content that's going to be coming out in 2023. And be sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next week at Charlotte Motor Speedway in round 3 and 4 of the Winter Heat.
How you know